I'm amazed and inspired by the support that ALS has raised with this campaign. For this reason, I am accepting the challenge, not only to continue to raise awareness for ALS, but to also raise awareness for another cause that is near and dear to our hearts, and one that I also feel is in crucial need of attention from us all, which is the prevention and treatment of autism. Did you know that autism is preventable, treatable, and in many cases, families have recovered their child from autism? Unfortunately, there's not enough funding or testing being done at this time to make these treatments possible for the majority of families living with autism. Our kids deserve better treatment options, and our families deserve to be better informed and supported. So you can learn more about autism and its treatments, and also read inspiring recovery stories from these two amazing organizations that I love, which is TACA and the Thinking Moms Revolution. So please donate to these amazing, amazing organizations and take some time and check out their websites. And keep the ALS and autism prevention and treatment campaign going hand in hand. 2 buckets, 2 donations, and let's see what kind of a positive impact we can make. I nominate my brother Christopher and my soul sister Katie and my beautiful mom.
I don't know how to stop it.